Regarding lang po ulit kay Court Sheriff Abby Andres, after nung mga reports po kasi na kasama siya sa mga witnesses ng prosecution team, nag-post siya sa Facebook na kanyang press statement na hindi daw po siya makikijoin as a witness for impeachment. Ibig sabihin po ba nito, Kongs and Private Prosec, na hindi po natin nakakausap itong mga witnesses na ihaharap po natin?
Yung nabanggit na kanina na yung discretion kung sino yung tatawagin namin na witness ay talagang nasa kamay ng prosecution. In terms of witnesses who wala po sa decision mismo ng isang testigo kung na siya ay magiging testigo o hindi. That's why we have the compulsive power provided in the Senate Rules of Impeachment na pwedeng issuehan ng subpoena kung sino man yung testigo. Now, of course, there are several factors involved in terms of yung pakikipag-communicate sa mga witnesses. On the one side, we want to make sure that walang magsasabi na in-influensyahan namin yung mga testigo. On the other hand, it would also be good that we communicate with them if it is at all possible.
Kung ano po yung ipipresent ang ebidensya, kung sino, it's purely prosecutorial privilege. Ang limit lang po siguro is whether the evidence to be presented is relevant and competent, meaning whether it's allowed by the rules or by law. Meron pong compulsory processes ang impeachment court. Pwede pong isubpoena ang mga recalcitrant witnesses.